In this video, I'm going to show you the best free image upscaler for 2024. So this upscaler is online and it's called img.upscaler, and you can simply find it by just googling imgupscaler.com. Okay, and it allows you to upscale images by 200 or 400%, and it's very straightforward and easy. All you have to do is first have an image. In my case, I'm going to use this image of a few cats that if you zoom it in, you can see it's not very good quality. And we're going to try and upscale this one so it looks better, okay? We're gonna go with 400% in my case, and then you can select 200 or 400%, and then just press and upload images, or just drag and drop them in here, but I'm gonna upload it. Then you find your image. In my case, it's under downloads. Press open, and then you have to wait a little that it loads in. See, mine is already in there, and then all you do is simply press start, and then you're gonna have to wait for a little bit. Now while we're waiting for this, I'm gonna scroll down here where I'm gonna show you some examples. Now you can see before and after, they're also showing it, and as you can see, the picture on the right side, which is after, is quite a bit more clear than the blurry one on the left side. And same here with this AI generated image of a girl. Now if we scroll back up here, as you can see, this is already done. Okay, you just simply press download, wait for your download to be complete, and then when it downloads, you can simply open it and see that the image has been upscaled. And if I zoom in there, you can see that the quality is very good, and the image dimension is also bigger, and you can use that image for whatever you want to. And yeah, that's pretty much it.